Hello everyone. So today I will be using only three colors. So folk card gold and sunny yellow. I want to keep it simple today. And dioxazine purple from Plaid. Plaid, yeah. And I got this new cup, so I would like to try it. And so I have dissolved three colors in Floetrol. The consistency you can see is kind of thick, and this is gold, and I'm not sure dioxazine purple. You can see it is flowing but making a little mound. Okay, so now I was debating which color should go in center. This is 10 by 10 canvas, so I'm putting dioxazine purple here, in the center. Let me scrape all of it. And then I plan to add gold on both sides because I want to use only three colors. I'm just eyeballing they're equal. So I measured the paint, all three cups, and all three together are 4 ounces, which is what we need for a 10 by 10 canvas. So since this is not one single cup, I didn't know how to do that, so I just measured the initial cups. So that's why I'm pouring all the color. Okay, last but not least, our sunny yellow from folk art. So this is my first time using this cup, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, so for base I'm using white. I've changed my mind. Earlier I was planning to add table color here, but then I thought that that is darker, and I'm using yellow and gold, so it might show from the base.
Okay, this was not. I was thinking yellow is pretty thick.
Okay, look at the puddle. That is much more beautiful. Okay, let me fix this corner. And all the corners are, yeah, on this side. Okay, alrighty, I like it. It's a different color. I'm having fun with this. It looks like 3D. I did not think of this. And in the beginning, I thought I have to scrape it. I did not like it at all. Then I started seeing these patterns. It's like, what the heck? Let's just do it. I was just scraping it off anyway. So let's just try it. Okay, I like it. Let's just change the side and see what I can do here. Perhaps I can start from here. I hope I'm still in the view. You can still see it, what I'm doing here. Otherwise, Okay. Let me bring you down to show you how it looks. So this is the final piece. My gold is completely gone. One thing is for sure. But let me know, what do you think of this piece?